Hey, it's Thomas here, and today we're doing a quick review on the new Maxspect Jump DC return pumps. If you're looking for a truly affordable yet surprisingly flexible DC return pump capable of adjusting flow in 5% increments with feed modes ranging from 10 minutes up to 30 minutes, including a digital controller that's easy to use and requires no tools to take apart for maintenance, then check out the Maxspect Jump pumps. I mean, they look pretty cool. Stealthy, fine jet engine design. The heart of your aquarium's filtration system is the return pump, responsible for circulating dirty water from the aquarium through the gauntlet of equipment in your sump and then back to your display tank. More and more reefers are turning to DC controllable pumps for their return pump needs thanks to their quieter operation and their ability to dial in the flow rate to better match the specific requirements of our aquariums. Maxspect is shaking things up with their line of affordable, controllable jump pumps with 20 speed settings providing 5% increments of flow, feed modes ranging between 10 and 30 minutes, and pulse modes for varied flow rates. Maxspect is definitely packing a lot into these pumps for the price, and they're a really interesting looking pump. Let's get it out of the box and take a look. In the box, you'll find the Maxspect jump pump, the controller, the barbed fittings, power brick, power cable, rubber feet, the mounting clip and screws, and some cable management. The appearance of these pumps is that of a high-octane turbine jet engine and is the first pump that I've ever seen with a satin finish and rubberized feel. Overall, it's a bold look, but it has one of the nicest looking strainer designs in terms of aesthetics, hidden as a part of the actual pump body, which gives it the illusion of being a larger pump than it is. The 10K model that I've got here measures roughly 8¼ inches long by 4.5 inches wide and 3.5 inches tall and is pushing over 2,600 gallons per hour. There are also 6K, 8K, and 12K models that push approximately 1,600, 2,100, and 3,200 gallons per hour respectively, suitable for a wide range of aquarium sizes. They all include barbed adapters to match the most commonly used tubing sizes for their flow rates, but the threading on the 10K pump I have here also matches up perfectly with standard 1.5-inch threaded PVC fittings, so custom plumbing directly to the pump is definitely possible. The jump pumps include a simple to use digital controller that allows you to adjust the pump speed in 5% increments, level 1 being 5% and level 20 being 100%, which is really great and much more control than most of the other DC pumps in its price range. It also has feed mode that can be set to 10, 20, or 30 minutes by pressing the button multiple times, which is pretty flexible and a nice touch for those who like to take their time target feeding. It also offers 2 different pulse modes if you're going to be setting up the jump pump primarily as added water circulation, but since it's submersible only, most reefers are probably going to be using it specifically as a return pump. The only thing the controller's really lacking is Wi-Fi control, but with the goal of keeping this a solid DC pump option at a really competitive price point, Wi-Fi and app control was excluded, which really isn't a huge deal in my books. App control can be nice to have, but it's definitely not a necessity, especially if you have a good physical controller. The pump is easy enough to take apart and doesn't require any tools, which makes maintenance time an easier process. It does take some force to remove the strainer the first couple of times as it has a very snug fit, but I can definitely appreciate that over something that is loose. Getting to the impeller is easy, but it will require you to remove the base first, then reassembling everything when you're all done is just as simple as taking it apart. These jump pumps from Maxspect are going to be a great option for budget-conscious reefers, coming in as one of the most competitively priced DC pumps available in their respective flow categories. But truly, anybody looking for an affordable DC pump, whether it's for your display tank, maintenance needs, quarantine, or a frag system, should find these pumps an attractive option. I am curious to see where they land on the top return pumps of 2020. You can actually check out all of the best gear of the year in this playlist right here. I was not trying to rhyme. Happy accident. Check it out.